Hi everyone, my name is Kara Hall. Today's date is January 22nd, 2018. Today I'm going to be doing my week 3 video for our lab. We only have one lab this week. The instructions were to do a before video and then an after video. So I'm just going to show you what I did for exercise 2, and then I will come back later and do another video after my slides have dried. I'm going to go ahead and turn my phone around so that you are able to see my slides. I've already done most of the process, but at least you're able to see what they look like before, and then you'll see later on in my second video what they look like underneath the microscope. So here are my 3 slides. The instructions for this experiment were to gather our broths if we still had them. I know I did have mine. There may be some people that didn't and have to create new broths, which may take 2 days. I fortunately kept mine and didn't have to go through that process. So we were supposed to take our 3 slides and label them accordingly to the broths that we had. After that, we were to take our inculation loop and put a little bit on each circle. But before we did that, we had to put our broth in the flame and make sure everything was sterile. So we were taking the broth and putting it on the circle. After that had dried, we had to put that through the flame, and then we could start the gram staining after that. So the gram staining is a process. Basically, you just follow the instructions on your lab pack, and it's very easy to do. You just take 1 to 2 drops of the first one, and then so forth. And I have mine sitting right here, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I just aligned them so that I knew exactly where they were and I could grab them. You have to use your little staining tray, and obviously do it where you're near a sink, because you have to run them under water after each stain. And that's pretty much it. That's all that you do. After, you have to let them sit and dry on a paper towel. Mine are still not dry, and it has been a little while. They don't look exactly like the picture in the lab experiment, which I'm hoping that they still turn out okay underneath the microscope. But that's pretty much all that you have to do for this exercise. After they do dry, I will take pictures in my microscope and just see which power I felt they looked best in, and then I'll upload them into my lab kit. Once I do that, I will record myself again, either doing that or showing you the pictures of what they look like after. Thanks, bye.